I want signs here, I want signs here, I want signs here. I want 20 signs, 20 signs minimum, okay, at your open house. Hi, I'm Brad Baldwin with Eisenhower Coaching Consulting, and today on ICC TV, we're going to be talking about our open house checklist system. This is a tool that all of our coaching clients have, or actually you can download it on our website, therealestatetrainer.com. You can download this tool, and what it is a checklist to make sure that you're maximizing your open houses. So if you have open houses and you're only getting 1 or 2, 3 people in, maybe no people in, give our checklist a whirl. I guarantee you're going to see a difference in your open houses. Open houses are a great vehicle to getting more leads, buyers and seller leads, mainly seller leads, into your pipeline. And if you're not doing open houses consistently every weekend using our open house checklist system, maybe you should. Let's see if it makes sense. We're going to talk about that today on ICC TV. Before we get into that, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, let's get those notifications, and make sure that you're getting this free content week after week after week. We're bringing you value, and if you need to get a hold of us, our phone number is right below. Give us a call, schedule a free 30-minute coaching consultation. Would be more than happy to review your business, find out what products that you need. Maybe you're in that position where you need a one-on-one coach. We'll talk about that, so give us a call. We'll be more than happy to talk. First, let's just jump into the open house checklist system. And I'm not going to go through the entire checklist. I do want to hit on some bullet points that's going to really help you in your open houses. So first off, we got to get prepared. Now let's assume, for the sake of argument, you're taking at least a listing a week, right? You're taking a listing a week. You're probably are one of our coaching clients, or have watched some of our stuff, and we've taught you how to get enough leads to take a listing a week. So now we're taking a listing a week. Let's maximize that with a great open house, right? So the preparation starts the week before. And then let me define something right here. If you're not doing an open house the first 2 weeks on the market, you're missing out. It has to be first 2 weeks on the market. If you're doing an open house 5 months after the fact because your seller is mad at you and you're not getting the home sold, so I'll do an open house and nobody shows up, no, man. You gotta do it the first 2 weeks maximum, okay, to do this open house. So I want it done quickly while it's fresh on all the agents know about it, all the neighbors know about it, they see the signs. I want it fresh in their mind. That's gonna really enhance the checklist. So our preparation starts the week before. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create flyers, we're gonna do Facebook posts, we're gonna get minimum 20 signs put together, and this is where I lose people. Let's talk about that. So what I see most real estate agents do is they have a sign here, okay? And they have a huge arrow that says open house, okay? And in letters here it says Bobby Lou. Bobby Lou Realtor. Can't hardly even see it. Can't even see it, right? See open house, big. See arrow, big. Colors, big. Bobby Lou, big? No, can't see you, bud. Bobby Lou down here is getting no love, okay? Here is the ICC way of doing. Okay, so we're gonna draw this out. Now I'm gonna have Bobby Lou, Realtor. Oh, there's the arrow. Open sesame. I want some balloons. I'm even gonna have one of these spinning wheels. Those pinwheels that spin? That's my take on the spinning wheel. So, hey, our signs now are looking good. Bobby Lou's getting a lot of love on the signs, and that's what I care about. That's the reason why our signs work, is because I want people seeing Bobby Lou, Bobby Lou, Bobby Lou, Bobby Lou. I don't care about the open house. They will find the open house. I want Bobby Lou branded because I want Bobby Lou getting more leads. Now, let's talk about sign placement real quick. So let's talk about sign placement real quick. So let's draw our area here. Let's say this is a cul-de-sac. Okay. There's a road up here, a road up here, a road here. There's an intersection. Everybody see that? Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, this here's our house. This here's our open house. Here's what I see most real estate agents do when they have an open house? They take their signs that say open house. Not really big, big, really small. One here, one here, one here. Maybe. 3 signs. Here, here, here. Directing you to the open house, where most people probably saw that open house on some of your marketing materials. Maybe it was a Facebook post. Maybe you put it in the MLS and they have the address. They put in their GPS. They drive to the open house. It's 1980, guys. We're in 2020 here. They know where it's at. Here's the ICC way of doing things. This is what I want you all to do. I want you to take our signs, our Bobby Lou signs, the ones that got love with balloons and pinwheels, right? Whatever you want to put on them. I want those signs. Bobby Lou Realtor, right? This is what I want you to do. I want to see this thing loaded up. Loaded up, man. I want signs here. 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 I want 2 or 3 signs here. I want 2 or 3 signs here. I want signs here. I want signs here. You go up this intersection, man. Bobby, you're getting love now, man. I want signs here. I want signs here. I want signs here. I want 20 signs. 20 signs. 20 signs minimum. Minimum. Okay, at your open house. And this is why. This is why. Bob Jones here is taking Sally to her piano lesson. Doesn't have time for your open house. Sorry. He's coming out of the neighborhood. He's coming up here. He's coming out here and he's going out here. And this is what I want Bob Jones to see. I want him to see open, open, Bobby Lou, 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 Bobby Lou. I want him to see Bobby Lou everywhere. Okay? Why? Because in our open house checklist system, we're canvassing the neighborhood, we're calling them, we're sending them emails, we're maybe knocking on their doors, we're doing a lot of different things. I know for a fact that Bobby Lou is probably one of our coaching clients and got that home priced exactly right and it's going to sell quick, right? After that home sells, she's going to do a just sold campaign around the neighborhood, and I want them to remember that Bobby Lou's open house is the reason that this home sold. It probably wasn't, but it might have. There's a good chance of it, but I want them to see the brand. Bobby Lou is now making a name for herself because she's selling property and her name is everywhere, and that's what we want to accomplish. That's going to get you more seller leads. That's going to get you more buyer leads. That's what's going to create a go. So when you have a bunch of people coming through your open house, right? I want them to see Bobby Lou, Bobby Lou, Bobby Lou, Bobby Lou. And this is a great time on the day of the open house not to let that go unnoticed. I want a Snapchat story, an Instagram story, a Facebook story, a Facebook video for the open house. I want to see people coming through that open house. I want to see all kinds of stuff. I love the house, and when you're on an open house, don't get me wrong, I want you to sell that home. It's a lot easier to deal with the other realtor when you are the other realtor, okay? But yet, what I really want is I want you to get buyer and seller leads, buyers and seller leads. And I want people to think that, man, your open houses and your marketing is bringing in so many people, because the average consumer that sells their home 4 to 5 times in their lifetime, they want somebody that brings in buyers. And Bobby Lou, man, you bringing them in, I guarantee you. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Look at our open house checklist. You can get it online right here at our store at therealestatetrainer.com. And all of our coaching clients, of course, you got it free. And I hope this video was a good refresher. I know you all are doing your open houses, and I don't know what I'm gonna do if I actually get a Bobby Lou in my schedule, but Bobby Lou killed it today, man, on the open houses, and you can too. Follow our system, man. I loved making this video. I hope you loved watching it. My name is Brad Baldwin with ICC TV. Live fierce.